Super Mario World, yay! One of my favourites from being a kid. I'm still a kid, but you know, one of my all-time favourites from playing on my SNES. Super Mario World, and this is the new set 71438, and it comes with 1215 pieces, 18 plus age, so it's an adult experience. Ooh. Build your affection for two iconic Super Mario characters and pay homage to Super Mario World animation effects with this playful display model. Turn the handle to make Yoshi run with Mario on his back. Rotate the dial to make Yoshi's tongue pop in and out, and you can even add a Lego. You can even add a Lego Mario, a Lego Luigi, or Lego Peach figure not included for an interactive experience. So let's go. Okay. So let's open up this box and have a look. See what we have. First, I'll show you the box. Sorry. Okay, there he is. There they are. Awesome. I love Yoshi's my favorite. It's very cool. It's a very good Super Mario World. Okay, Mario and Yoshi. That's the front. And this is the back of the box. The artwork is awesome on this. I really like it. So yeah, it's kind of showing you the functions and how big the set is when it's on display, which is cool. We've just got just the Super Mario World stuff on the back. There, on the top, sorry. Nothing else. I've got this on the side, I suppose, which is cool. I love the box art on this. It's really, really cool. Right, so let's open it up. Stop messing around. This I got from here, so I'm hoping, here being Turkey, I'm hoping this is paper bags, not plastic bags, you know. Get my trusty little knife out. I love this knife. So cool. Let's see what I'm doing. It's a little bit far away. Okay. How many pieces? Oh dear, sellotapes everywhere. Okay. Let me go. And last one. Cool. Look at that for a knife. That's awesome. I love this. This is from my RC racing days. There we go. Very cool. Right, so let's open up and see what we got inside. Very cool. Okay. A lot of bags, and they're paper bags. Awesomeness. Okay, so I'm gonna see 14, 15, 4 bag of bits, another bag of bits. Wow. Okay, 3. Sorry about the noise. 3, 8, 7, 13. So 15, 14. I'll get this. 13. Oh god. 11. 15. Okay. Looks like this. 15 so far. 6. Bag 10. Bag 5. Bag 9. Oh, we're still missing bag 12. Bag 2. 3. Bag 1. Oh, maybe I'm not missing it. Maybe I'll put it somewhere else. I don't know. And of course, the manual, which is huge by the looks of things. Oh, there's bag 12. That's a tiny bag. Okay, cool. Right, let's put that in there. Right. So, looks like we got 15 bags. Let's get bag 1 out. Let's put those there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In the box, nice and organised. 11, 12, 13. Cool. That's it. Bagus bonus. Right, let's have a look inside this, shall we? Sure there's nothing in there. No, there's not. Wow, this is a humongous manual. Let's have a look, see how many steps. Dude. Okay. A lot. hearts list. You could win. Could I really? That's awesome. I doubt it. I live in Turkey. Okay, so we've got 342 steps. Wowzers. Let's have a look inside. Bound to be information. Yes, there is. Okay. Oh, this is awesome. Super Mario World Story. Okay, so that is the view I remember, which is really cool. Excuse me. Let's have a look. And then inside, story continued. I'm not going to read it to you because that would take up the whole thing. From the Lego designer, which is cool. Okay, and that is Carl. What was it? I'm reading it upside down. Carl, Miriam, and Dare McCabe. Okay, cool. Thank you guys. Bonus features. Okay, which is very cool. To look through those, and then we're on to building. Okay, so I'm hoping there's 3D instructions. If not, I'm going to be taking my time. Not doing speed build. Looks like people prefer not having speed builds by the amount of views I got on the Peely Bone, which has just been released yesterday on my channel. Yesterday or the day before, I can't remember. The day before yesterday, and it's going well. So I'm going to keep doing this without speed builds. Anyway, so I'm going to start building, and the next time you see this, it'll be finished. I hope without too many problems. Anyway, I'll see you in the review of the build, and if you could smash that like button, or just do a thumbs up, like, whatever you want to do. Comment, subscribe. We're going up and up and up, and it's really cool to see the OpsMan channel grow and grow and grow slowly. Thanks very much for your support, and I'll see you in the review. Wow, this was awesome. Loved it, absolutely loved it. I'll give you a tour of this in a minute, but let me just show you the features first. Get the good stuff. This is really cool. Okay, so you have your little handle here, and as you turn, little Yoshi walks along. Mario kind of hops up and down, so that's cool. His little cape in the flapping in the wind as they're running. It's pretty cool. I like that. That's awesome. And then of course you've got the tongue coming out of Yoshi, which is you have to turn a handle at the back. If you do it slowly on the way back, sometimes it does get caught, but it's cool. I like it. Really good, really clever. Sorry, I'm looking up there again because I love watching this. So there's your two, so you can, like, if you want, just do that, which is really cool. Now, the other feature is that, and I'm not sure if you're going to be able to see this, so I might have to do a close-up on the camera to show this, but what you do is you get Mario, oh, right here, sorry about that, Mario. Okay, he goes on the side here. Hi, Mario. I might have to zoom in on it. Yeah, I'm going to have to zoom in on it. But as you turn the handle, he actually knows that you're walking and then starts doing all the and it's like a scene out of the game, and brings back so many memories for me. Let's see if I can, without destroying things, see if I can get it close enough. Maybe that'll work. So there you go. As you turn it. It's very cool. So I'll do a little close-up of that. But as you can see, all good fun. There we go. Hoppa. And then you turn him off. Oh, oh, nice. Hold on, let's get him on properly. And then, oh, it's hard doing this backwards. And then switch. See you later. Okay, so that's really cool. Now that works apparently with all of the 3 main characters: Peach, Luigi, and Mario. So, and that kind of tucks away behind the back. So I'll show you the back. So that swings out there, and then you tuck it away, and that's your little sensor. And then all the workings you can see. Really, really quite complicated, and I really enjoyed building it because it's a lot of Technic stuff, and I don't really do Technic stuff that often. But this made me think, wow, this is really cool. Let's see if I can. Do it over there, that's better. So as the tongue comes out, all the back all kind of turns and whatever. But you can see all the workings. On the front here, you can just, he says, take that off if you wanted to, which exposes all this. So this is like the bush that he's jumping over, or in the background of the game, sorry. This is like the normal bit that they stand on, and they jump, go up and down. So that works really, really well. You can like take bits off, but I really don't think you should, because it's such an awesome display piece. I really like it. The only thing that I didn't really like was when you put this on, it's kind of, if you can get it back on again, that is, it's kind of raised up. Oh, let's get it right. There we go. And I thought that was a bit weird. I would have thought it would have been better if it was flat on the ground. Okay. I would have thought it would have been better there, but it doesn't seem to want to go there, so you have to raise it up slightly. There we go. He says, there you go. Yeah. Anywho, there. Not there. Why is it not going there? Okay, interesting. It just seems to want to do it way above for some reason. I don't know why. Anywho, the other thing, I think the most enjoyable part of this build was, I'm just going to pull that off now. It should go there. What a bot. Why am I struggling with this so much? Okay, there we go. Right, he's on there. The most enjoyable part for me, believe it or not, was making all these with the little tiles. That was so much fun. Pixel art at its best. Seeing all the different shades, all the different colours that you're using to make up the characters, and seeing that come together as you're building it was really, really cool. I really enjoyed that so much. And I mean, the finished product is just awesome. This is one that definitely I will not ever sell. It's always going to be up on the shelf because it gives me so many memories, and I think it's very, very clever the way they've done everything. The legs moving, the cape moving, Mario kind of lifting up as you go there. He lifts up, look, a little bit. That's I mean, that little detail was awesome. And then of course, you know, Yoshi's tongue coming out. That's kind of classic for me. But yeah, I think nothing's really missing. They could have put some more things in here with this set, like maybe like a mushroom or something, you know, like a toad. Would love to have seen a toad or something like that, go along with it, or a Goomba or something like that, all the enemies. But I love it. I really, really love it. And the interaction with Mario's always going to sit on this from now on. Because it's finally something that you can use with Mario all the time, which is really cool. And it looks pretty good with Mario on there. I do like it. Lego Mario time. Hello Mario. Very, very cool. I love it. And I can sit here playing with this for hours and hours, but I won't, okay, because this is going to be a short video. Anywho, this was awesome. I really enjoyed it. And I'll keep saying sets are awesome, but to be honest with you, see you later. I wouldn't say it wasn't good if it wasn't good. For me, you know, that's a personal thing. Money-wise, I mean, I don't know. I always say the same thing. If you like it, then it's worth the money. That's pretty simple, really. It's if you buy something and you don't like it, that I could see it be very disappointing. But yeah, I love it. Cool. Leave a like, comment, subscribe, do all that good stuff. We're getting there. We're getting growing bigger and bigger and bigger each time, and I appreciate all the likes and views that you give my videos. See you later. Thanks very much. Bye bye.